You're using DocuSign for anything, be it contract management, being sending a form, or anything for that matter. Once you sign in, there is a section where you have to do a signature on the form, which you have two options. I'll show you both the options, how it is done, and it's going to make your life easier. So, whatever form you're filling, the signature section will have the same feature. You'll be able to do this after watching this video. Once you are on the document where the form has to be filled and you have to do signature, I'm showing one such options here. In your case, you might have your own document and that will show the signature section where you have to click. And once you click and do the signature, you click on sign in, you will come to this page. Here, check the full name, initials. This is important. You see asterisk here. And once this is done, you have three choices. One is to upload your signature. Basically, you sign on a paper, take a photo, and then upload that here by clicking here. If you want to do digitally, you have this draw option where you can come and do a signature. You see here as I'm showing. And once you're satisfied, you can adopt and sign. If you think you need to make a change, you can just go clear here and then do it again. And once that is done, it will show up in select style. So basically, once this is done, this will digitally get signed.